Hi everybody. I'm tired. It has been crazy today. Absolutely freaking crazy. And I just got my t-shirt order in. I was so hoping my Grateful Dead t-shirts would come in today. And my display from Green Roads. But it didn't. So there's always tomorrow. And where's my box at? I had a box here. Darling, you remember the box that had the name on the side of it so I could show it? Oh, there it is. I don't think I told you where I got my shirts last time because I hadn't really tested them out, you know? But we love this company. It is Color Tone, C-O-L-O-R-T-O-N-E, and it is tie-dye-usa.com. And right there is their phone number. Hang on. And they are awesome. We love these t-shirts and they are so well priced. Now if you don't have a wholesale account, you might could go in there and just purchase a shirt, but I know they sell to us stores and we just love them. We get fun patterns like this, but then this one's new. We've never had this one before. I call it the American flag. I think they did. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Matter of fact, I may take one of these home with me. And these shirts are Glidden shirts. They're either Color Tone shirts or Glidden shirts. I think. Let me see. Yeah. Some of them, and I'm going to tell you, they hold up, the color lasts, they are awesome. This is the ones that disappear. Oh, I gotta show you this one first. I really love the black one. I love the black one. Isn't that awesome? But this is the one, it's called the Galaxy. And this is the one that goes like crazy. We sell these shirts for $10.99, so you gotta know I'm getting them at a decent price. $10.99 here at the Cornerstone Market. And we're doing great with these. But we bought some new ones this time. We bought this right here. I think it's a bleach. No, I don't think it's bleach. I think it's called acid wash. We love those. That's new. We got those in a gray, a light gray. And then we got this right here. I'm gonna show it to you in the burgundy. It is so cool. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I hope my customers love it. And we got the acid wash in the blue, and then, oh, we got this, I don't know what this is, I can't remember, but I love it. It makes you think of blue jean denim. It is so awesome. And we got that in a couple of colors. But these here, I'm so tickled about these. I want to show them to you. Hang on. I think one of them's going to go home with me. I'm coming around. Look. Is that not spiffy or what? I love it. Look at this one. I don't think I can fit this one. Oh, look at that. I love them. Absolutely love these things. This is so cool and fun. Look at this one. Alright, so I get them at tie-dye-usa.com. If you want you some tie-dye shirts for your store or your craft fair booth or blah blah blah, remember, Galaxy's the most popular for us, and that's what they said was the most popular for them too. They sell more Galaxy than anything. And you call them up, they'll help you. I don't remember having to do a minimum order. Might have been around $150. I think I bought $300 something worth the first time. I think about in between $500 and $600 worth this time. And I'm telling you, I sell them for $10.99 as fast as I can buy them, and they sell great. All right, I give TieDyeUSA.com a thumbs up.